Hey guys, little update, little video, update this time of the Bavarian bush or the tropical, the Bavarian jungle at one point, maybe, not necessary right now. So this is on a day 3 weeks or 1 month after that we started the tank. What you can see, plants are here, growing slowly, I would say, but nicely. For example, the coloration of the plant, the red plant, is a good indication. You can see that we have a lot of fishes swimming in all directions, but it was already heavily tanked when we resetted this aquarium. And since then, a few fishes has been added. I guess maybe not so right. Such kind of red nose. The little ones. This is the new ones. And after that, maybe here, Danio Rio, for example, well known. With a few losses, I would say. Directly the first day after the addition, something wasn't good enough for the fish, and few fishes died. Not so a good indication. But since I am sharing with you this update, you may have already seen some indication something is not totally right. This is such kind of algae. It's not necessary hard to fight algae. This is not the green algae, this is not the blue algae or cyanobacteria. Instead, this is such kind of dusty or brown algae that you can see here. It's not really nice looking, but the fact is, okay, here you have a little spot of green algae, but this is the only one of green algae, you see. It's not necessarily a bad sign. This is just that something is not going well in the tank, and it's not complicated in theory that I heard and read, but I haven't direct experience with such kind of algae. It's not necessarily in theory complicated to fight and to change back the evolution of the tank. Interestingly, quite all the plants at minimum stayed or try to grow a little bit. And the leaves are here. We haven't lost any of the plant, but this is like they are stuck, you know. Temperature of the aquarium, if you are wondering, this is 25. Let me check if I can check with you. Here, 25. You see, the tank to be suitable for such kind of I don't remember the family name, sorry. And it's supposed to be 24 up to 26. It is ideal if you consider all the fishes like the same family is not necessarily true, but the origin at least is quite the same location. So, back to the water quality. Here you have a nice set. Yeah. When you have some indication, what are the indication? Right now, the plants are not growing quite fast. You have the dusty algae. You are losing some new fish. And I would say, here we already fed the fish, but before they were very actively coming on the surface, meaning that they are healthy, but they are waiting for some food. Okay? And this is a visible indication. After that, you have some indirectly visible indication. If you check here in the filter, or more precisely, what's going on here, okay, in the CO2 reactor, you can find out that the water flow through the CO2 reactor wasn't good. It was quite stopped, okay? Meaning that the pH of the tank stayed high, 7.3, 7.4. For such kind of tank, it is high. These fishes and planted tank are under 7 in theory. But by the way, the fact is here we have a real-time indicator of the pH, and it was 7.3, for example, when I came back today. So, the CO2, we had an issue during few days, and thanks to a friend, Uli, thank you, we get a quick fix with a new bottle CO2 fulfilled. And also here we had, this is a Shihiro integrated or very small one with a magnet, electromagnet behind. I don't know if you can see it, but you get the point. It's supposed to be good quality, but times to times you can have some issue, and I guess one join issue made the CO2 away during few days. We had the tank without any CO2, and since 10 days, let's say, the CO2 is not injected in the water. It was due to a water flow restricted here. And also, I'm pretty sure, even if it has been clean, I think here the ground and the fishes are generating a lot of dust and element blocked by the mechanical filtration, meaning that the water flow is reduced and the CO2 not injected. By the way, I reactivated the CO2 in a better way, I would say. And especially, I put the Electrovan on the CO2 reactor directly on this pH controller. pH meter, but also controller. I put it on 7.8. You will understand soon why. And in theory, we should, in few minutes, see that the Electrovan will simply stop. And you can manage a CO2 concentration, but also a pH, because it's quite related with the carbonate hardness in the equation in your tank. Okay, but you can see already fishes are swimming a bit different since we started to put down the pH. Fishes are not responding so quickly to the pH, say people, but I see that they are sensitive to the pH. So I'm showing you this. This is what you don't see. You do remember fishes, plant evolution. This is what you see. Indirect, what you can see, typically what's going on in your filter or life support system. And what you don't see with your eyes directly, you can reveal it with such kind of test. The little drop tests are suitable. The paper test, we do have them as well. It's quicker, but it's not so precise. Okay, and what we've done today, I've quickly done the pH to make sure that calibration hasn't been lost. You have here the little, what's the name in English? pH probe, thanks. So it was fine. Even if with the CO2 injected, the pH is going down, so it's not so precise, I would say. Precise. And direct after that, a surprise, it was a carbonate hardness. The tap water that we do have here, it's 9 degree. Okay, it's quite high, I would say. It's fine for such kind of plant because they do need some mineral to grow, and when they are growing, they are just absorbing the mineral of the water, and in the aquarium it's low, it's under 3. So from tap water, there's no osmosis system, so we put the 9 degree in the tank and the plant, or maybe here the substrate, I don't know, guys, if you know. This is a JBL substrate. I forgot the precise marketing name, but you know, this is dedicated to aquascape. And this is the soil, powder soil, because this is a little one. So pH is going down, and I show you both of them because in fact with such kind of low carbonate hardness, it does explain why it is possible to put down the pH so quickly, even if it's 250 liters in front of you. And you do have some plant putting some oxygen in the water with low KH, you can play really nicely on your pH. So first surprise, plant don't have any carbonate element, mineral, it's a bit pity. But after that, I detected no iron at all, well, not helping the plant neither. And I perform also phosphate and nitrate test. Nitrate, this is the end of the nitrogen cycle. Phosphate, this is another macro element, if I'm not mistaken. Important for the plant, and this is both of the elements are low. Phosphate is quite not here, and nitrate is very low. What we put in the water, this is this one, okay, Tropica, a known brand, and the yellow one, you don't have any phosphate, it's 0%. You don't have phosphate, nitrate are not in this version, okay? So you do bring it in this tank just thanks to the food that you are adding to the fish. Phosphate directly coming from the food, and nitrate, this is at the end of the nitrogen cycle. If you see the fish is very active and looking for some food, you can think that maybe they haven't get so much food, explaining why in that kind of tank already planted, you don't put so much in the system nitrate and phosphate. So right now, what I can see through the tests, carbonate is not there, is low, iron not there at all, nitrate and phosphate very low. Nitrate it's 5 ppm, so 5 ppm it's already a good thing. I believe that it's what is important to avoid that kind of dust. This is to give all what the plant need to perform properly, and also to provide the suitable equilibrium between phosphate and nitrate. And typically here, this is what we don't have. So this is the analyze, and other than that, you can see the water column is clean. The tank is clean out of this that I will pull out. And after that, we will do water change. We will do a check of the filter to make sure anything is blocking the water flow, because it is important. And the rest, it will be 2 times per week that we will give this nutriment solution. We do have the green version with some nitrate and phosphate, and maybe we will start the green one as well. We will see. You can see the plant, they do have some leaves, quite all of them. And we don't have also some cleaning fishes, as suggested by Uli, and this is true. When you don't have a good cleaning crew in the tank, you have that kind of accumulation, and maybe the pH was not helping for the amano shrimp that we put. We added 2 or 3, but I can see that they are still there. So they are, in theory, still working, not enough maybe. We may add over time other species of, for example, Otosynchus. They are known as cleaning fish, and they may help, to clean all the, you see, the little dust is not so nice as it could be, I would say. Other than that, you have, I don't know if you saw it, you have the twin star doing his job, probably, against the green algae, but not the dust algae, as you can see everywhere, also directly on the twin star. So, let's continue to investigate and also to start water change, filter clean, additive, and CO2 cross-check related to pH, and it should come back on good rails, I hope. That's all. Ciao guys.